Okay, we're looking at level 8, page 37. All right, so two things we want to learn is about half step. So please take out your notebook and start writing half steps. Okay, there's two types of half step. One is called diatonic half step, and one is called chromatic half step. Okay, so two examples for you, diatonic and chromatic. So diatonic is C to D flat. So if you have C to D flat, it is diatonic. At the other hand, if you have C to C sharp, okay, so these two examples, that sounds exactly the same. If I play C to D flat, C to D flat, it sounds the same as, I crossed out this already, sorry, C to C sharp. They sound the same, but because the way this one cross out, this one is nothing here, this is just C, okay? Okay, so they sound the same, but because the way they spell it differently, so you call this diatonic, you call this chromatic, okay? The way I memorize this is D for different. So the letter has a difference. C and D is different. Then chromatic is the same. C and C. So C to C sharp is chromatic. That's the first thing you need to know for this page. The second thing you need to know is MS and MD. MD is using your right hand. MS is using your left hand. Okay, how I remember, one of my students taught me D for dominant. So most of the people has a dominant as their right hand is a dominant. So D, dominant right hand. Okay, then you should be able to answer the rest of the question by using the answer at the back. Number 2, sonata allegro form is, you learn it at level 7, exposition, development, and the recapitulation, that there's some details you need to write. This part right here, I'm going to make, you have to ask me to email you, okay? So you need to specifically ask me to email you a list of the character and also the composer list. Yeah, so you need to either email me to ask me to give you the list, or you need to text me to remind me. Okay, that will be all.